3 healthy snacks for pregnancy. You had a hearty breakfast before you left for work an hour ago, but your stomach is already growling. Sound familiar? Pregnancy can ramp up your appetite significantly. The challenge is that you get only a limited number of extra calories per day to play with, but they need to be nutrition-dense. We've put together our top 3 snacks for moms-to-be. They all help meet your need for essential pregnancy nutrients, are easy to assemble, are generously sized, and clock in between 200 and 300 calories. 1. Apple and cheese. 1 medium apple with hard cheese like cheddar, Monterey Jack, or Swiss. Most women don't get enough fiber in their diet to begin with, and pregnancy increases your requirement to about 28 to 30 grams of fiber daily. That can be a tall order when you're dealing with morning sickness in the first trimester or maybe beyond, or that full and bloated feeling later on. To make sure you're hitting the fiber mark, it's smart to include plenty of fruits and vegetables in your diet, which also help to keep you hydrated. 2. Egg on an English muffin. 1 egg, scrambled or fried, on an English muffin or toast. You've probably been reading lots in the news about vitamin D. It helps calcium get absorbed in the body, and it has been linked to preventing cancer, boosting immunity, and reducing inflammation. During pregnancy, it's vital to get enough vitamin D to help support your baby's growing bones and teeth, and to make sure your little one's immune system functions properly outside the womb. Pregnant women need 600 IU of vitamin D daily. Up to 4,000 IU per day is safe, according to the Institute of Medicine. 3. Greek yogurt parfait. A small container of plain Greek yogurt topped with 1 cup blueberries and 2 tablespoons chopped walnuts. There are many reasons why Greek yogurt has become the star of the dairy aisle. It's loaded with protein. It requires twice as much milk to make, boasting about 14 grams of protein per 5.3-ounce single-serving container. For the same reason, it provides 15% of your daily calcium requirement. It also contains probiotics, which help you maintain a healthy digestive system. All that, plus a smooth and creamy texture that makes even non-fat taste decadent.